welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I just want to say again, hello and thank you to my 38,600 YouTube subscribers. Ayan, sobrang dami na natin dito, guys. And I know, hindi ako naging active for the past couple of weeks and months. And it's all because that there's just a lot of changes that's been happening with work, with Cyberbacker. And I wanted to make sure na things are finalized already internally bago ako mag-share sa inyo ng any announcement that we have. But now that we've already made a lot of announcement in our social media platforms, I am here again on my YouTube channel to share some of the good things and announcement that is currently happening right now. And I know you guys are excited also sa mga naghahanap ng permanent work from home job dyan na stable. Please keep on watching. So again, guys, for today's video, we will be talking about 3 things. Okay, so number 1 is I will be sharing with you several job opening positions that is already open within my division. Ayan, so guys, if you're someone who's looking for work from home job and you want to work with me directly po, be part of the social media marketing division or the creative team under social media division, then these job positions are perfectly for you. Ayan, so later pag-uusapan natin yan. Next, I will be talking about little lang ng the new transition hub that we have now in Davao. Ayan, ano nga ba tong transition hub na ito? Pag-uusapan natin siya mamaya at paano siya makakatulong sa inyo. And then the last one is I will be talking about also career night and the new website transition that's happening in Cyberbacker. Ayan, so ang dami nating topic today, guys, kaya wag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's get to it. So I will be flashing again here on the side the available job positions that's currently open within my team. Ayan, so babasahin ko po sa inyo ang ating mga positions, so you will see me there. Ayan, guys, so this is currently the available job positions in social media marketing division. If you're someone who wants to work with me directly, then please check out these job positions. Ayan, so you will see there, ang ganda ng poster namin. Ayan, so you can see here the people are working within my division. So there's Jaira. There's R2. R2 is my director for our creative team. Then that's me. Maiksi pa yung buhok ko. And then that's Mel and also that's Ray. Ayan. So these are just some of the people who are working within the social media marketing division. And currently I have what? I think 35. I think we're 35 within the team. Sobrang dami na namin and we are still looking for more. Ayan. So what are we looking for? We are looking for video backers or video editors. So again, for video backer, you don't really need like a professional experience na nagtrabaho ka as a video editor. If you're a hobby and then you're really good at it, then of course you can apply. One thing that lang na I would remind if you want to apply as a video editor or video backer is please have your portfolios ready. Kasi we will be looking at that. Okay, what can you expect also when you're applying for a video editor? You will be interviewed ng panel style. So I will be there. My director, also R2 of creative team, he will be there also. And then another 2 people from my team. Ayun. So ganun po ako mag-interview, guys. Panel style. Okay, next we have the graphic backer or graphic artist. So graphic artist, again, you don't need to be a graduate of, you know, an arts or anything. Of course, that can be a plus. If it's just your hobby and again, you're really good at it or you're used to making social cards meaning the content that you're seeing on social media, so things like that. You're good to apply. Again, for both video editor and graphic backer, you need to prepare your portfolio ha, kasi yun po yung aming unang titignan. Again, next, for video backer and graphic backer, video editor, again, graphic artist, for both, ang ginagawa ko po dito is after the interview is we will be sending an assessment. Okay, so iba pa po yung assessment process na ginawa nyo when you're applying in Cyberbacker para mapasa nyo po yung initial interview nyo. For example, for video editor and graphic artist, yung assessment nyo is for video editors, we will ask you to create a short video. And then for the graphic artist naman, we will ask you to create a social card or a social media post. Again, all assets naman will be given to you. And then you just have to work on the assets that's given to you. I think initially I would give you like 24 hours lang, 24 hours to 48 hours to complete those and then to submit it back so we can make the final decisions if you're good to go and join the team. So next is we have the screenwriter backer. Oh, so ito yung mga script writer, ganyan. So if you've seen the content that we're trying to post online or to publish online, nandyan yung mga stories ng cyberbackers, the successful stories of all of our wonderful cyberbackers, how cyberbacker changed their life. So we need a production team of our own, of course, in-house, that we will do all of that. Alright, next is the social media backer to the franchise team. Ayan, so social media, and then we have the social media backer to the president of Cyberbacker, Ms. Sheila. Me and Leo Legaspi. Ayan, two positions are both social media manager. So what does a social media manager do? So, diba, social media manager, they manage the social media platforms of the people, okay, or the business or the brand. So, social media managers, ang tinitignan namin dyan, and usually tinitignan ko dyan, is not really a lot of your experience, but what do you know about social media, no? So, what do you know about Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest? So, the top social media platforms that we have in the Philippines right now. How do we community manage? Do you know how to launch social media ad campaigns? What do you do when there's a social media crisis? So things like that, you'll be asked those things during the interviews. So again, for the interviews, I do it. The final interviews, I'm the one who's going to do it. And then there's going to be a panel also. And for over the period of time na hindi ako active dito, guys, ang dami kong na-interview na YouTube subscribers ko. And I'm just so lucky and grateful na to see you guys there, like actual na nasa Zoom kayo and you're applying for the job position I was interviewing you. It was really, you know, a great moment for me na nakakatulong talaga ako sa inyo. Okay, so ayun lang siya. So we have video editor, we have graphic artist, we have screen writer, we have social media backer, two social media backer again. So one for the franchise team, and then the second is for the president of the company. Ayan, no pressure, guys. Guys, again, for all of these, how to apply everything, I've done that already on a lot of my videos. So ililink ko na lang uli sa ating description box yung pinaka-website, and of course, my referral link. I've referred thousands of people in Cyberbacker, and I have more than 100 referrals already. So again, thank you guys for trusting me always in making me your referral. So if you want to apply, just use that link. Lalagay ko na lang siya sa description box below. And also, I will include na lang somewhere here dito sa taas yung ating link ng step-by-steps on how to apply. But, just a disclaimer, guys, that video is old already. I-update ko siya soon as mag-update na rin po yung aming bagong website. Alright? Okay, now, let's move on to the next part. I just want to say quickly lang, ipakita sa inyo yung updated general requirements namin. So, now we have a different device specification. So, we are now you are now required to use Intel Core i5 or i7 or AMD equivalent or higher, no? And then Windows or Mac is acceptable. I'm using Mac, guys. And then at least 8 GB of RAM with 60 GB of free hard disk. And of course, internet speed should be at least 10 Mbps or above. DSL or fiber internet connection or Wi-Fi is a must. Ayan, so yun yung mga big changes that happened also. Next is, let's talk about this exciting one, the new transition hub. Ayan, so I'll put it here. So, our social media is just really blowing up about the transition hub, and I bet you guys did not see this coming. So, ano nga ba tong transition hub? Ang daming questions dyan about the transition hub, and we are we just softly launch it. Di pa nangyayari yung grand launch. So stay tuned about it. But what can I share with the Transition Hub is this is really to help those applicants that doesn't have equipment. So let's say you want to work from home, you don't have equipment. You passed already, you don't have equipment. So what can you do? So there's the Transition Hub. You can work there for 90 days. The company will provide you with the PC, the webcam, the headsets, everything that you need to be able to work with a client. It's there. Okay? Only for 90 days until we're giving you time to save money and provide for your own equipment. So you can transition from the hub to your home. Okay? That's the goal, really. And if you're from Davao, so this is in Davao. Bala, I forgot to say, the first transition hub is in Davao, but we're not stopping there. We'll be opening some places. Probably somewhere in Cebu, I'm hoping. And then, of course, in Manila. And of course, lots of cities to come in the Philippines nationwide. So, lahat ng nasa Davao, if you know someone from Davao, tell them to go there. Go there, apply there. No? And then, let's see what happens, okay? So, good luck! More information about the Transition Hub will come soon. Please check out all of the Cyberbacker social media platforms. Next, of course, an update lang about the Cyberbacker Career Nights. Ayan. So, Cyberbacker Career Nights, this is the current poster that we have. Don't mind the dates. So, we still have Cyberbacker Career Nights every Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's just that this time, every Tuesdays, we have the Growth Backer Careers Night. So, again, what is a Growth Backer? Sila yung mga top earning jobs here in Cyberbacker who are also dealing with a lot of sales, ganyan, a lot of our clients. So, if you're someone who's really good with sales, ganyan, and you want to consider being a growth backer, that's the career night that you want to attend to. So, that's Tuesdays, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Manila time. And then, if you want to attend naman the regular career night, that happens every Thursday naman from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Manila time with Disney. Ayan. So, there with the regular career night, we talk about a lot of things like all of the jobs available in Cyberbacker, ano yung urgent, ano yung trending, mga Q&A, things like that. Okay? The last one that I want to talk about is, of course, the transition of the website. So, now it's cyberbacker.ph, right? So, we will be transitioning to cyberbackercareers.com soon. I think it's going to happen like anytime within this week. So, please use that website na moving forward, no? cyberbackercareers.com. That's going to be the new website. So, guys, that's it for me. I will not try to commit na and say, sasabihin kong stay tuned for more videos kasi I will be traveling soon actually. So, ayan lang, background since ang tagal ko kasi nawala. So, chika-chika tayong konti here. But I am very active on TikTok. So, I'll just post here my TikTok. So, I have 2 TikToks. So, one is, of course, my personal TikTok. And then, I have another TikTok na ang dami nang nakadiscover sa akin. So, yes, I have 2 TikToks. One is Solis. And, of course, the other one is my Stan account. So, I am an engine, guys. Yes, I have light sticks and everything. I'm a fan of I stand Sunghon a lot. And yes, I will be going to the concert. Okay? So, kung isa kang engine, magkita-kita tayo doon. I wanted to do more content about that. And also, yes, I'm traveling soon. I will be taking a week off of work because I want to visit my mom who's working in Vietnam. She just had a surgery. So, me and Arya and my sisters are flying there soon. So, if I have time, of course, I'll be vlogging there and share with you that story. But, over the next few days, I will be releasing, I think, 1 or 2 videos that are sponsored. Sponsored. So, you will see me doing other things, na iba, you know, from just talking about working from home. And I'm trying to revamp my channel. So, you know, there's a variation of content for you guys. So, it's going to take some time. But, again, I just wanted to thank everyone for still being here on my channel. Always watching my video, always supporting me. Even though hindi ako ganun ka-active, unlike before. So, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. That's it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, hit that notification bell, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Until then, see you soon on my next YouTube video. Bye!